Hey everyone, today we're doing Java standard input and standard output too. So I'm gonna read through the description quick and then do some explaining. In this challenge, you must read an integer, a double, and a string from standard input. Then print the values according to the instructions in the output format section below. To make the problem a little easier, a portion of the code is provided for you in the editor. We recommend completing Java standard input and okay, so we've already done this if you're watching my videos. If not, I recommend you to check it out. Input format, there are 3 lines of input. The first line contains an integer, the second line contains a double, the third line contains a string. So these are all primitives. Integer is a primitive, a double is a primitive, and string is also a primitive. So they all take different values. For example, integer takes numbers from range, double takes decimals, and string takes text and pretty much everything that is in quotes. So yeah, these are all different primitives right here. Okay, so moving on. Output format, there are 3 lines of output. On the first line, print string. On the second line, print double. Yeah, so basically it's talking about these lines right here. And yeah, let's get started on this one. And we already have integer declared and it's scanning for the next integer. So next one we're going to be making double, and as you can see with double we have d right here. So double d equals scan dot next double, and then we're going to be making primitive string, and it's going to be declared as s. So scan next line, that's what we use for string. And you'd think this would work, but yeah, it's actually not going to work. So let's see why it doesn't work. There's a note here. If you see the next line method immediately following the next integer method, recall that next integer reads integer tokens. Because of this, the last new line character for that line of integer input is still queued in the input buffer, and the next new line will be reading the remainder of the integer line, which is empty. So right now it's reading the empty line. So to avoid that, what we have to do is make it scan for a new line. So do it like this, and I believe it should be working now. Yeah, as you can see it works. It's reading first one integer, a number, second one double, a decimal, and third one is a string. So yeah, that's it for this challenge. If you have any questions, write them down below in the comments, and see you in the next video.